Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading your base map and confirming units so measurements are accurate. First, import the parcel shapefile or CSV survey points and select WGS84 or NAD83. This avoids projection skew later. Once done, switch to boundary mode and snap new vertices to existing nodes or paste coordinates directly. Make sure to save a working copy immediately to prevent data loss. This gets you into the plotting workspace and positions the first vertices for the lot layout. You now refine geometry by imposing setbacks and easements so lots meet regulatory constraints. Use the Constraints panel to enter buffer distances and minimum lot sizes. The tool will highlight infeasible parcels. Then perform splits, merges, and offsets to optimize buildable area while watching frontage and area readouts. Once lots look right, assign parcel ID and import attributes from your CSV or type them in. This step ensures lots are valid, identifiable, and export-ready for approvals or further design. You finish by validating the entire plan, run topology checks for overlaps, gaps, and minimum area requirements, and correct any flagged errors. Once validated, export the lot plan in the required formats such as GeoJSON, shapefile, or DXF for CAD workflows, and include the attribute table and legend so stakeholders understand parcel data. Finally, generate a high-resolution PDF for permits and archive the project files. If validation fails, reopen the flagged parcel, adjust constraints, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.